Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to handle your laundry at home, this video's for you. Today, we're going over the top 5 best top-loading washing machines selected for their washing performance, capacity, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Starting at number 1, we've got the BLACK+DECKER BPW30MW. This is a portable washing machine designed for small spaces, apartments, dorms, or RVs where a full-size washer doesn't fit. It offers 6 wash cycles: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, giving you flexibility to handle different fabric types and soil levels. You can also select from 3 water levels to match small, medium, or large loads, and it can handle up to about 26.5 pounds per cycle. The 3 cubic foot stainless steel tub is rust-resistant and durable, and the transparent lid lets you see your clothes and monitor the wash progress. Safety features include auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock, which is helpful for families. The lightweight design with side handles and roller wheels makes it easy to move and store when not in use. It's perfect if you live in a tight space and need a reliable washer that doesn't require plumbing hookups. Combining multiple wash options, safety features, and portability, the BLACK+DECKER is a practical, efficient solution for small-scale laundry.
Next up, at number 2, is the COMFEE portable washing machine. This is a fully automatic washer that's incredibly compact, just about 18 inches wide, and fitting dimensions that let it squeeze into dorms, apartments, RVs, or even bathtubs. Despite the small footprint, it offers 5 washing programs: heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, plus 3 water levels, so you can customize washing for different fabrics and loads. You can fine-tune rinse time, spin time, and number of cycles to get exactly the results you want. The transparent lid keeps you informed during washing, and the rust-resistant steel inner tub is built to last. With an energy-efficient design certified by the Department of Energy, it uses up to 87.5% less energy than comparable machines, which saves money on utilities over time. The motor spins at up to 840 RPM, which is a solid speed for extracting water from clothes without excessive noise. Built-in wheels and handles make it portable, and the LED display shows you what cycle you're on and time remaining. If you want a compact, energy-efficient washer that can fit almost anywhere, the COMFEE is an excellent practical choice.
Now at number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach portable washer. This one is designed for people who want reliability and simplicity in a compact size. With a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, it can handle most everyday loads: clothes, linens, and bedding in a single cycle. At just 50 pounds, it's light enough to move around, and the 16 by 18 by 32 inch dimensions fit easily into tight laundry areas or small homes. The top-loading design makes it easy to toss in and pull out clothes without bending or reaching into a front-loading machine. The stainless steel basin is durable and resists rust and corrosion. A transparent lid lets you watch the wash process and check water levels, and the electronic controls with a one-touch LED display are simple to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. Multiple fully automatic wash cycles handle various fabric types and soil levels. One unique feature is the Quick Connect sink adapter, which lets you hook the washer directly to your sink for water without needing dedicated plumbing. If you want a straightforward, portable washer that's easy to operate and doesn't require special hookups, the Hamilton Beach is reliable and user-friendly.
Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the KUPPET Compact Twin Tub. This is unique because it has 2 separate tubs, a washer tub and a spinner tub, which you can operate independently or together depending on your needs. The total capacity is about 26 pounds, 18 in the washer, 8 in the spinner, so you can handle decent loads. You can wash clothes in one tub while spinning dry clothes from a previous load in the other, which saves time if you have a lot of laundry. The 1300 RPM loader provides powerful washing, and separate timers for wash and spin let you control exactly how long each cycle runs. A built-in drain pump with a long drainage tube, about 56 inches, makes water disposal simple, no manual emptying. The control panel is straightforward, with clear options for wash timing, spin timing, and draining. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move and store. The durability is solid, so it should last through regular use. If you like the flexibility of 2 tubs and want to speed up your laundry workflow, the CUPPET Twin Tub is a clever, practical option.
Finally, at number 5, we've got the Auertech portable washing machine. This offers impressive versatility with 10 different wash cycles: quick wash, standard, bulky, soft, spin only, wash only, soak, rinse and spin, tub air dryer, and tub clean, plus 5 adjustable water levels. That variety means you can tailor every wash to exactly what you need. A 400-watt motor delivers strong washing, and a 1600 RPM spin speed extracts water efficiently, which is faster than many competitors. A 24-hour delay start function lets you schedule washes for convenient times, which is great if you want laundry done by the time you get home. The built-in drain pump handles water removal automatically, and a self-cleaning tub function keeps the machine fresh and hygienic after each use. At about 23 by 23 by 36 inches, it fits in tight spaces, and the included faucet adapter works with most standard water sources, so you don't need custom plumbing. With multiple wash programs, strong performance, and convenient features, the Auertech delivers reliable, powerful cleaning in a space-saving design.
And that wraps up the top 5 best top-loading washing machines. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.